Here is Monday's practice. Let's review what the answers were for each of these problems. So the first question asked you, what is the range of the scores from Sam's math quizzes? So I know if I go back here that the range is how far my data is spread out. It's the greatest data point minus the smallest. So let's go ahead and find our greatest data point. So that looks like 86 is our biggest number. So I'm going to type in here 86, and I'm going to subtract my lowest number, which it looks like is 80. So I get my range equal to 6. Question number 2, looking at Sam's math quiz scores, what is the mode? Well, I can look at back here and say that the mode is the most common number. So I'm looking for the data point that shows the greatest number of times, which luckily this is pretty easy because you just look for the tallest line, which happens to be 83. That means that most students scored 83 on their math quiz. And then finally, our median score is the number that is in the middle. So if I write my numbers in order from least to greatest, I have 80, 83, and I have 4 of them, 83, 83, 83. I have 3 85s, 1, 2, 3, and I have 2 86s. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just check that I have all my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So I have all 10 numbers, which means it's even. So that's telling me that I'm going to be getting 2 numbers in the middle for my median. So if I were to go ahead and cross all these off, I would cross out 80, and then 86, 86, 83, 83, 85, 83, and 85 again. So I'm left with 83 and 85 in the middle. So if I take 83 and I add 85 to it, well, the ones column, 5 and 3 is 8. I didn't have to carry, so then 8 and 8 is 16, leaving me with 168. And if I divide that by 2 to find my median, I am left with the number 84 in the middle. So that is my middle number, the median. Those are all of my answers for questions 1, 2, and 3. Let's move on to the second set of independent practice problems. Number 7 reads, which statement is true based on the data in the line plot? The class ranges from 22 to 31. Well, I know that that's not true because it goes from 22 to 30. So I could cross out A. B, half of the students have 26 students, or half of the classes have 26 students. Well, if I counted to find my median, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, which would mean 9, the ninth number from each side would be in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That tells me that 26 is our median number, which means half of the numbers are below 26 and half of the numbers are above. So that so far is the true answer. Let's just double check and make sure that C is not correct as well. The most common class size is 28. So that is the same, that is correct as well. So I'm actually going to select C as my answer here because I know that C is true. But when I have 26 being my median, that actually means that 49%, not quite half, are above or below 26. So C is the correct answer here. Number 8 reads, which statement is true based on the data plot? Again, the temperature ranges from 80 to 89. Well, I know that that's incorrect because it only ranges from 81 to 89. The least common temperature is 81. That is true because it is the lowest number. Let's just check for C again to make sure that that answer isn't better. The most common high temperature is 88. And that is true as well. Which means I'm going to go ahead and copy and I'm going to paste another circle and I'm going to put a dot on C as well because both of those answers are technically true. Once you watch this video, go back and change your answers to match mine if you were confused on anything. and then you are done with today's lesson.